Enrich Stockbroking, உங்கள் அபிமான ஆன்லைன் ட்ரேடிங் பார்ட்னர்.
JPR College of Arts and Science. Admissions open for 2020-21. Courses offered BCom, BA, BSc and BBL.
For Kumbalangi, for me, throughout the whole journey, I was surprised by how comfortable I was in front of the camera. Before me doing my first shot, I remember my mom and my best friend telling me like, you're gonna get nervous, you might mess up. I cannot imagine anybody else doing the Shammi character than Fasil. For Heaven, if you ask me now, I will never do it again because it's great to know that people around India is talking, especially in Tamil. I've always loved Chennai and the language Tamil is such a beautiful language. And எல்லா தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றி.
Hi Anna, vanakkam.
Hello.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
Great. I hope you are aware of your popularity among Tamil audiences.
Really great to know that people are watching my movies. It's a very great feeling.
On-spot scenario, it must have been usual to you because your father, he's a screenwriter, right? Have you been to his shooting spots?
Yeah.
I've actually grown up around movies. Like from a smaller age, I've been to sets. I've been to almost all my dad movie sets, and I've seen how it works and everything. But I've never thought I would be in front of the camera doing all the acting and everything. I just loved being there. It was a very good experience, and they're all like family for me. So, but I've never placed myself there ever. And I used to, when I was in college and all, I used to be on stage, and I used to tell my dad maybe like I should give this a shot, and he would be like, "Are you sure? I don't think you can. Or do you even act?" Yeah, because he's never seen me perform like that, except for like dancing on stage. He's not seen me act or do drama or anything on stage. So he was not very sure. So I was also not confident, and he was also not confident. So we never had that conversation like very seriously ever.
He's not confident, okay, because he hasn't seen your performance. But you not being confident in yourself, that's surprising because in your first film itself, your acting was very natural. I thought you were trained and stuff like that. You were not confident that you could pull out such natural performances.
So the thing about me is I participate in things even if I'm not so great at it. It's like that ever since I was in school. I just, even if it's music or dance or even getting a speech, I just do it randomly. I just like doing it. I don't know if I'm good at it or not. I like being participating in all this stuff. So that's how I went into movies. So I didn't really know what I was doing, but I had a great team for Kumbalangi, and they've guided me throughout the movie. So I think that has helped me a lot, and that gave me a lot of confidence as well.
Have you got any offers from Tamil films?
I've been getting inquiries. I've not decided on anything else, but I'm waiting for a really good project. So I'm hoping to work with a great team and a really nice movie, and I'm very excited about it because a lot of people have been asking me if I'm ever going to do Tamil, and I really want to, but I'm just waiting for the right project to come along.
So as I told earlier, you have so many fans here, especially Tamil boys. There are a group of boys who are constantly coming up with interesting write-ups for your films, your characters and all. What would be your message to them?
So my message to them, I keep writing. I don't know. I'm excited
Keep
to
writing.
hear all this actually, because it's great to know that people around India is talking, especially in Tamil. I've always loved Chennai and the whole vibe of it because my cousins are from Chennai. My dad's brother's family is from Chennai, so I get to travel there sometimes, and it's been a while, but I used to when I used to be a kid, and I love the whole place. I love the food. I love this, and the language Tamil is such a beautiful language. I'm actually dying to learn it properly. I don't want to talk Tamil because I'll mess it up, and I want to be good at it to speak. And my dad speaks Tamil decently, and I always admire the language quite a lot. It's such a poetic language to learn. So I'm very excited to do a project in Tamil soon. So.
now you can speak one line in Tamil, a message to all your audiences. I'll teach you. எல்லா தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றி.
எல்லா தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றி.
Seen quite a post write-ups about your hairstyle, your curly hair, and how it helps you being natural on screen. So have you ever tried to straighten it?
Not permanently, but I do have like maybe a shoot or some function or something. I might straighten it. I mean, it's just hair, so it'll come back to whatever it is. So yeah.
An imaginary question. Let's take Kumbalangi Nights. If it has to be made in Tamil, which actors would suit the roles? You can pick any 5 roles and you can tell me which Tamil actors would suit Kumbalangi Nights.
I cannot imagine anybody else doing the Shammi character than Fahad Fasil, because he's made his mark on it, and whoever does it will have such a big baggage to carry, because he's done it excellently. I do have to bail out of this because I have to name the same people to do the same character.
Right, that's absolutely right. So how was it like to watch Fahad perform?
I knew Fahad Fasil was in the movie and he was doing this movie, and I never thought I would have a scene with him, because when I got into the movie, only my side of the story was narrated to me, and I was just exploring the story as I went along the shoot. So I didn't know I had to act with Paduka at any point. So I was like, I was just doing my scenes every day, and that's it. And one fine day, Shamet and Sham Pushkaran, the writer, he told me that today evening you have a scene which is very important, and then that's all he said. I was very curious, and then I kept asking him, and he's like, towards after lunch, he said like, it's with Fahad and it's a very important scene. And then I got a little nervous, and I'm like, are you sure that we're doing it today? And he's like, it's okay, don't worry about it. And the whole set was waiting to see what it's gonna be like, because I'm brand new at this, and he's so experienced and he's a kicker actor. So they just wanted to know, and by that time I was very close to all the people in the set, so they were all very curious to know how many shots I'm gonna do, or if I'm gonna get scared and mess up my lines or anything. But it was so great. He was very supportive. He didn't make me intimidated at any point. He made me very comfortable. He told me like, we're gonna do it, and just take your time with everything, and then we're just gonna get into the scene. And I was really happy with it. And he started acting, and I quickly went into character, because you don't think about anything else, because you see Shammi as it is in front of you, and then you just act. So it was crazy. When I saw the playback, I was mind blown. It was a one of a kind experience, actually.
So what do you usually look for in a script? Because you have done 3 films and all 3 are good films. So what do you usually look for?
I don't go so complicated with the decision. For me, I just sit down with the narration as an audience. I listen to it, and if it's engaging and I'm getting curious about the story, and I think that works. So that's how we all watch movies. And then I talk about the character, and if I can take it up and I can make it something as honest as it is. So yeah, those are the things I generally look in a script, I guess.
Since you're exploring the craft now, let's take all these 3 films. Can you name one scene in each film where you surprised yourself as an actor?
For Kumbalangi, for me, throughout the whole journey, I was surprised by how comfortable I was in front of the camera. Because before me doing my first shot, I remember my mom and my best friend telling me like, you're gonna get nervous, you might mess up, and that's totally fine. Even the whole set was being very supportive like that, because I'm very new, never done anything, not even a single ad. So they were like, it's okay, even if you mess up in the initial couple of times, we're gonna get it right, and we have a great team. So, but for some weird reason, I was not thinking too much about it, and I was not getting that scared. So the first shot went, I did the scene, I got out, and it was a very beautiful place. We had water and everything around. So I was just taken by that, and I did my scene, and I went there. I was sitting down listening to music, I remember Shane coming and telling me, I've never seen anybody do a first scene ever in their life and being so calm. And so that was very surprising for me because I also did not realize how calm I was. And for Helen, the whole freezer experience was very surprising because if you ask me now, I will never do it again because I do not like cold at all. I do not even like air conditioning. I don't use it. I have zero tolerance for like really cold places. But we shot in -10 and I still don't know how I pulled it off. And it was super difficult. We had 20 days of shoot inside the freezer and the temperature kept dropping from 0 to -10 most of the days, and I did not even have jackets or anything. I just had a thermal inside and my costume. So after every shot, I had a very, very nice AD named Tirtha. So she used to come and wrap me around in a blanket. That's the only thing that we used to do. Or else then we take breaks. So that was very surprising because I never knew I would be able to pull off something like that. And there have been instances in the scenes that I discovered myself as how I would react to a certain situation. And so I think the actor and me just went hand in hand in the second one. So I was very, very happy of how I came out as an actor in the second one. Capella, I had a lot of work in terms of the character because I was not familiar with a girl like that. I was not familiar with a region like that. So I had to. It was quite not that heavy as Helen, but still I had to discover a side that I was not familiar with at all. To be that naive, to be that very innocent, and from a very secluded place and all that. So I went to that area a week ahead, and then we were all the whole team. We were there, and we were just exploring the whole place, and trying to know the people there and how they talk, and it was a wonderful journey actually. It was less tedious, but it was more exploring yourself. So it was really nice.
Wow. So thank you so much, Ms. Anna Ben. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you for sharing so many things.
Viewers, as per the Tamil Nadu Health Department, please stay safe, wear a mask whenever you get out, and sanitize your hands so that you know what is happening right now. So you can keep your family and yourself safe and contain the whole virus and get out of this so you can have the normal life back and get back to theaters and watch all the movies and do all the fun things that you want. So let's be patient right now and take care of ourselves, and we can get back to whatever we were and do it happily.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இதே மாதிரி நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பண்ண தான் போகிறோம். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலிக்கு மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். என்ன தோணுதோ கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். 52 லட்சம் பேர் எங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்களும் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Enrich Stock Broking, உங்கள் அபிமான ஆன்லைன் ட்ரேடிங் பார்ட்னர்.
JPR College of Arts and Science. Admissions open for 2020-21. Courses offered BCom, BA, BSc and BBL.